Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to another video. This week we got another awesome upgrade for our Ram 1500. Let's not waste any more time. We'll jump right into it. We got the truck on the 4-post lift right now. I was in the middle of recording another video you guys will see shortly, and these came in. I couldn't wait. We're gonna throw these on right now. If you guys have been following the channel for a while, you might remember when we pulled off the tail lights and third brake light, went ahead and sprayed them with some of the nightshades, just to give them that smoked look. Now these lights are factory, just regular bulbs. They're not LED. So the guys over at Auxito hooked us up. We're gonna change things up. It's gonna look awesome. Let's go see what's in the box. Here we go, guys. Look at these. So these are obviously smoked, really smoked. There they are next to our regular tail lights. These are gonna look awesome. I love the blacked out look. Let's sit down. We'll go over a couple features of these things. So these are for the 09 to 18 Ram 1500s that don't have the factory LEDs. If you have the factory LEDs, these aren't gonna work for you. Man, I love the look of these already. These are gonna look awesome on the truck. We replaced the reverse bulbs in the truck a while ago. These have the bright white LEDs that we replaced them with. Same sort of look, so the reverse lights will look similar, but everything else is gonna be different. These have a cool marker light. We'll show you once we get it all thrown in. Another nice thing about these, they're plug and play. You pull your old tail light out, snap the new one in, plug and play, you're good to go. No extra wiring, no weird drilling or having to modify things to make them work. These even got UV protection. They're IP67 waterproof, so dust proof, rain proof, you know, keep them nice and bright, everything working as long as you can. Another thing, sometimes you'll have trouble with lighting stuff, needing resistors when you're switching over to LEDs. These have built-in resistors. That's what this is right here. We're gonna go ahead and I'm probably just gonna double-sided tape this somewhere back here so it's not dangling. If we go ahead and pull this light out, it's just got wires. So our harness is just gonna plug directly into where our old bulbs plug into. Nice and easy. Best of all, I partnered up with Auxito to get you guys a discount. So if you use code DNR, Auxito's website, their links in the description, and use code DNR, you'll save 15% off. They got all kinds of cool stuff for Ford, Chevy, Dodge, tail lights, headlights, bulbs, motorcycle parts like side markers, seat covers, all kinds of lights and bulbs, housings, tons of stuff. So guys, make sure to go check them out. Full disclosure, I do get a small commission if you guys use my code. It helps support the channel. Go over there, check it out. If you guys pick something up, make sure to use code DNR. All right, enough of this. Let's go ahead and throw them on the truck. If you guys have never removed these taillights before, they're super simple. All you need is a T25 bit. There's one screw here, one screw here. Once those two screws are out, you can see the taillight's kind of flimsy. Now there is a couple push-in clips that go towards the front of the truck. So if you just grab your taillight and pull straight towards you, they'll pop off just like that. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the light housing so we can see what we're working with here. Here's our bulb, so here's our brake light, and these are the LED reverse lights that I was talking about that we replaced. So we are just gonna take these off right here at the harness and plug them right into the new ones, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. Okay, for the reverse lights, if you grab the whole thing, there's a little tab right here. If you press your thumb on that, the whole housing will come apart just like that. That's what we're looking for. On the top one, there we go. Now I can get you guys some light. I took this red tab and pushed it, clicked it up away from the bulb here, and now when you press this clip, it should release that bulb just like that. Back over at the table, here's our old assembly. All this stuff came with the new lights. Even these little clips that slide into here that are on the truck. If yours break when they come off, that's super nice. They give you a new set of them. I'm gonna save these. My old ones still work great, so I'm not gonna mess with them. The resistors come with this plate and these little screws and nuts and bolts. They want you to attach them like this to the plate and then find a place to clip them. I'm gonna hook them up to the plate and think I'm just gonna double side tape again somewhere up here. It doesn't specifically say where they want them put. It does say they could generate some heat. So I'll go ahead and bolt these up to here real quick. We'll find a good place to tape these up. And 2, resistors help with hyper flash. So if you're switching over to LED bulbs and you don't have built-in resistors, you could have issues with the truck thinking that the bulb's out, since LEDs draw not a lot of power at all. So that's very nice that they come with built-in resistors. You don't got to worry about hyper flash or stuff like that. These are just a Phillips head, and then it's a 7/32 size nut. Okay, that's on there, not going anywhere. Now there's not a lot of stuff going on back there, so I'm not too worried about if this is gonna fit or not. I just want to pick somewhere where it's gonna stick the best. Again, it comes with these clips, and I may just be missing something, but it wants you to clip these to the bottom piece of the bracket, and then it says should be fixed in a safe position. Again, I'm not too sure what they're wanting me to do. That's not going anywhere. Do this at your own risk. Don't do what I do. This is just how I'm doing it. Let's go throw this on the truck. So now we're just gonna go reverse order. This bottom clip is just gonna clip into here, just like so. Top clip goes in. Okay, got the top clip in and got that red tab locked back down into place. Don't know if you guys can see that. Now we have to line up these tabs with these and make sure they hook on there. Carefully make sure everything is lined up correctly so you don't break anything. And there we go. And already, guys, that looks awesome. Okay, let's get the screws in real quick. Just snug, we don't need to over tighten them. Let's go ahead and see if they work. So there was the lock, unlock. There's your marker lights that I was talking about. That is such a cool look. I'm loving this right now. I need to switch out this license plate bulb. It's driving me nuts. Let me go ahead and step on the brakes, signals. We'll just do a little run through real quick. On the brakes, and then turn signal. Very bright. And let me go ahead and throw the truck in reverse. Very excited. It really matches the blacked out look of the truck. I might have to pick up a third brake light now. Okay, once I get this other project I'm working on done, I'll get the truck off the lift for you guys. Overall, these things fit super nice. Fitment 10 out of 10, snapped right into place. Like you guys saw, it was all plug and play. Everything buttoned together nicely. I'm not expecting I'm gonna have any issues with those resistors, the way I mounted them. All right, that's gonna wrap up today's video. As always, I appreciate all the support. Make sure you guys go check out Auxito.com. Remember to use code DNR for a discount. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take it easy, and we'll catch you on the next one.